So my boy like to call me a contrarian, man. Always saying I'm on the other side of the fence when it comes to sneakers, man. But in actuality, bro, I just don't like leather on the 11s. Now, earlier this year, man, we was told that we was getting the DMP 11s, man. Me, I was super excited, man. All that, man, top 5 sneakers of 2023, man. It was no debate about that, man. And then we heard that the name had changed, which I already knew they had did something stupid to the shoe. And I was right, man. They put leather on the 11s, man. Like, why would you do that? It's supposed to be mesh, man. Yes, I can see y'all saying this is nothing but a Concord with leather on it. If y'all want to say that, cool, man. I'm not going to argue with y'all about that, man. It is a Concord with leather. But I just feel like if it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. So why is y'all doing this? Why? And then y'all name it gratitude. Like, we supposed to be grateful for this. I'm not grateful for this. I don't want this. We didn't ask y'all for this. You told us you was giving us the DMP 11. That's what you told us. And you gave us, you didn't give us the defining moment, bro. You just told us to be grateful for getting these, bro. When you put some miles on this shoe, man, especially with this leather, man, it's just gonna be a horrible shoe, man. The shape gonna be off. Everything's just gonna be bad about the shoe. Now, I did have, shout out to Your Average. He was arguing that the mesh get dirty fast. You know, I'm a advocate of keeping your shoes clean. The people that I know, Concord still look good. The only thing bad about them is the bottom. I mean, that's gonna happen, you feel me? But other than that, just keep your shoes clean, man. This leather, man, it just ain't doing it. It ain't. Now, if you do want this shoe, man, this shoe does release December 9th later on this week for a retail price of $230. Should you pay resale for these? No. Absolutely not. However, if you do want some pairs, man, come talk to your boy. So looking on your favorite app, man, these shoes don't go for nothing at all, you feel me? Which is shocking because Jordan 11s around this time of the year is in such high demand. Everybody want them. Like I said, grandma want them, great-granddaddy want them, uncles, aunties, mother, father, daughter, sister, baby, toddler, fetus, everybody want this shoe, you feel me? And while we on this reselling subject, man, I just want to touch on the topic real quick. I'm not going to stay on it too long. When you go to these brick and mortar stores, these reseller stores, you feel me? Don't expect to pay StockX and GOAT prices. You gotta understand, StockX and GOAT is nothing but a whole bunch of individuals trying to get their pairs off. These are businesses, bro, trying to make money and try to feed their family, whatever, man. Regardless of how y'all feel about it, stop judging them for selling. If they sell these for $350, bro, I totally understand, man. This is worth $350 because the demand of this shoe gonna be high. If you don't want to pay the $350, man, go on about today, man. This will restock 6 or 7 times, man, by February. If you want this shoe, man, just put your footwork in, you will get it, man. Trust me. But if you're trying to get this shoe for someone for Christmas, if you don't hit, man, be expected to pay those kinds of prices or just buy from StockX and GOAT. Simple. Now, for all the people who care about the box, man, it does come in a lift lid box and it says thank you on it. I don't know why you saying thank you, bro. I guess they're grateful, you feel me? But y'all buying the shoe. I wouldn't be grateful, you feel me? But they actually took their time and did some stuff with the box. The wrap says, what it say? There's a whole bunch of languages on the wrap, man. I don't know if it say thank you, gratitude, I don't know, man. I can honestly care less. Colorway is white, metallic gold, black. For all the people who care about that, man, this is what kind of box it will come in, man. I ain't mean to do that. But yeah, man, I'm probably the only person on YouTube who don't like this shoe, man. I don't like it, man. I don't like it. And I can see it now, bro. Y'all change the laces on these things, man. Put pink in on. I can see it. If you disagree with me, because I know none of y'all gonna agree, if you disagree with me, man, drop your comments down below, man, and tell me how you feel about this sneaker, man. Tell me if this is a must-have. If it is, please let me know, man. If you agree with me, smash the like button. Comment down below as well, man. I really want to hear y'all thoughts about this shoe, man. Do y'all agree? If it's not broke, don't fix it, man. I know there's somebody out here that agree with me, man, but yeah, I'm out.